I feel like in life there's like this feeling of wanting to achieve something that really motivates us and gets us up in the morning, and we kind of work toward that goal and really try to reach it with all of our energy. We put all this focus and all this time into like getting the best grades, getting the nicest car, getting the nicest clothes, or like being somebody, I guess, in life and in society. This chase that we have, and whenever we reach that, we feel like emptiness inside, and we feel like, okay, well, I guess it's not like entirely emptiness, because first, like, in one way we feel accomplished for a few minutes or a few hours, but then we realize, okay, is this really it? Was that it? Like, was that everything that I like invested so much time and so much energy and focus into for this little short feeling, this short dopamine spike or whatever? And we kind of realize that it was more fun anticipating that thing instead of getting it. It was more fun going like from the start to that point than being there, than achieving it. We realize it's the process that is more fulfilling. We realize that it's the journey that is more fulfilling, and the path that we take, the obstacles that we face, and the walls that we face, and we're like, look, this is an obstacle. Is this gonna beat me? Is this gonna make me like give up, or am I gonna overcome it? And then you kind of like level up, and you kind of like hop on the next level toward reaching their goal. That thing specifically, I think, is what we should really be looking for, and what we should really be chasing, and not necessarily that one thing at the end, right? We should find fun and excitement in the day-to-day journey, the day-to-day process, right? Like, I'm sitting here and I had my best month in business, exceeded my expectations. Like, well, at some point I was expecting it, but at the same time I'm kind of like, okay, cool, I'm kind of making it, you know, it's reachable, it's possible. But the way, like, the process to getting here was a lot more fun than like sitting down and seeing, okay, cool, I reached that number in this month in my business. Like, just a plain number, it's whatever, right? And like, if I look back 2-3 years ago when I was dreaming about reaching these numbers, I was like so excited, like, one day I'm gonna make it, one day I will make that number, one day I will hit that goal, and my life is gonna change and everything's gonna be dope and all that. It's good. I feel like you need that kind of energy, you need that kind of motivation, and you need to go through these phases to realize things in life, right? You need to feel that excitement in order to move forward. There's something, I mean, if you're not gonna feel that, then how are you going to even like move forward, right? But I guess a more consistent, a more sustainable way of being happy in life and feeling success in life is realizing that you are on a path of becoming better every single day. You are on the path of improvement, and this is what you should be proud of. This is what you should take pride in, and what you should kind of feed off of, and kind of like recharge your energy and everything, right? Like, me shooting this video right now and speaking to the camera is like me sharing my thoughts, me kind of like tuning into my energy and my body, and like expressing myself is so much more fulfilling than other things, right? And I'm on the path of becoming a better human being. It's so much more fulfilling than reaching like 10,000 subscribers probably, or reaching 1,000 subscribers, which was one of my goals, and I reached it. I didn't even realize when I reached it. It's just a number. Of course, these are people that are subscribed to me, people that comment on my videos and all that, but at the same time, it's like I'm more happy to be able to transmit my energy and have the freedom of like speaking and like expressing myself. So that's the idea for today. Take enjoyment and take happiness, and kind of like find your happiness in the process, rather than finding your happiness in the outcome. Okay? Find your success in the process rather than finding your success in the outcome. And I guess that is one of the most important learnings, is being aware of the process, being aware of you, that you are becoming a better version of you. You are facing these obstacles and overcoming them, which automatically makes you a much stronger person than you were before. And that is what you should be looking forward to, and that is what you should be taking pride in, instead of reaching whatever goal, right? Stop having like goal dependent happiness, but start having process oriented happiness. Like, tomorrow I'm gonna walk 10,000 steps. Take pride in that, like be happy in that, right? Be happy while you're walking, and that's what's gonna like fuel you even more. You're gonna start becoming even more inspired because you hit the goal for one day. You're gonna get into this positive momentum instead of reaching this goal dependent happiness. If I'm gonna reach that, I'm gonna be more motivated. No. Be motivated in the small steps every single day, and you're gonna get into that positive momentum instead of that negative cycle of like being sad because you didn't reach whatever goal, right? That's the idea for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon.